Moon phase update. Waxing crescent visible November 24, 2025. The moon is currently in its waxing crescent phase, appearing increasingly illuminated in the night sky. As of November 24, 2025, approximately 16% of the lunar surface is visible, marking the fourth day of the lunar cycle. This means the moon is gradually growing fuller after the new moon, and observers can expect to see more and more of its surface lit up in the coming days. What you can see tonight, even with the naked eye, several prominent features are visible on the waxing crescent moon. The Mare Fecunditatis, Sea of Fertility, and Mare Crisium, Sea of Crises, two large, dark lunar maria, are easily discernible. For those with binoculars or a small telescope, the Endymion crater, a large impact crater, is visible in the upper right quadrant, or bottom left if observing from the southern hemisphere. This is a good time to observe because the increasing light makes surface details more apparent than during the darker new moon phase, while the angle of sunlight still creates striking shadows across the craters and maria. Upcoming full moon. A supermoon finale, the next full moon is scheduled for December 4, 2025. This will be the third consecutive supermoon of the year, meaning it will appear larger and brighter than usual due to its closer proximity to Earth in its orbit. The previous full moon occurred on November 5, and this final supermoon marks the end of a particularly bright lunar cycle. Understanding moon phases. A simple guide: moon phases occur due to the changing angles at which we view the sunlit portion of the moon as it orbits Earth. The lunar cycle, which takes approximately 29.5 days to complete, defines these phases. Here's a breakdown of each. New moon. The moon is positioned between Earth and the sun, rendering its visible side dark. Waxing crescent. A sliver of light emerges on the right side, northern hemisphere. First quarter, half of the moon is illuminated on the right side. Waxing gibbous. More than half of the moon is lit, nearing full illumination. Full moon, the entire face of the moon is brightly lit. Waning gibbous. The moon begins to lose light on the right side, northern hemisphere. Third quarter, last quarter, half of the moon is lit on the left side. Waning crescent. A thin sliver remains on the left side before disappearing entirely. The moon always shows us the same side due to tidal locking, a gravitational effect that keeps one face oriented towards Earth. The changes in illumination are not about the moon disappearing or reappearing, but about how much sunlight reflects off its surface toward us. Observing moon phases is a simple yet profound way to connect with celestial rhythms. The predictable nature of the lunar cycle has influenced human cultures for millennia, from agriculture to mythology, and continues to captivate observers today.